And thank you, Vijay. Thank you, the HR team, for organizing this session. I believe this is the most ignored subject. Financial well-being, we always tend to forget in our daily chaotic life. But thank you, Priyanka, for making it so entertaining, so interesting that we realize the importance of this subject. And I am going to give this to Lakshmi of my house. That is very, I'm sure about it. So thank you so much. Thank you for this session.
You just made my Diwali brighter.
Anyone wants to share any of your feedback, comments, or anyone? We don't have a feedback form, but if any one of you wants to share your learning or experience which you have not thought about it, where you have learned from her today. Anyone?
I'm hungry for lunch. No, I will like.
Okay.
First of all, thank you, Priyanka.